Hey guys, and welcome to this unboxing of the Bon.Elk KM-322 slim wireless keyboard and mouse. Here's the front of the box. As you can see, it comes with a 4-button mouse and a keyboard. The keyboard has a numpad, so it's a full-size keyboard, and it's also a multi-device, so it's compatible with Windows, Android, and Mac. Here's the back of the box. It shows all like the features. So now I'll open it. So here's like the manual and warranty. Yeah, it just shows you how to use like where the dongle is for the mouse. Yeah. And on like the other side, it shows like the keyboard. Okay, so here's the keyboard like itself. As you can see, like the typeface, there's the control and with the Alt and Option keys, so it's compatible with Mac and Windows. Also, as you can see by the layout, it has like a more compact layout because the arrow keys are over here instead of having like a separate like area for them. It's like with the home and page up and page down and all these. This is very good for like a smaller desk setup. And here's the mouse. It has a DPI switcher in the middle where you can switch like the sensitivity of the mouse. Yeah. Here's the bottom of the mouse. And this is how the mouse sounds. So so you can lift the top case to chuck in like a AA battery over here and a USB dongle. So here's the USB dongle for the mouse. And for the keyboard, if you flip it upside down, is down here. Oh, here's for like the AA batteries. Right here. Yeah, so I'm gonna chuck the batteries in. So after using the mouse for a little bit, it feels very smooth. Okay, now I'll do a quick typing test to see how the keyboard feels. So after doing a typing test, I think it feels like not bad. For I think that it's very like tactile. So yeah, thank you for watching the video.